What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make my famous shrimp and potato tacos. It's a simple recipe, only a few ingredients needed, so we finna jump right into it. This is gonna be a real quick video. I'll leave a detailed description of the recipe in one of the links below. Alright, we're gonna start off peeling these 4 potatoes. Get them ready to go in the pot. We go peel them, and we go cut them into cubes. Now, as soon as we finish peeling and cutting the potatoes, we're gonna throw them right in boiling water. And we're gonna let them cook until they're soft. All right, now while those potatoes are boiling, we're gonna get started on this shrimp. We're gonna start with 2 pounds of shrimp. They're already defrosted, peeled, and deveined, so they good to go. We're gonna start with our seasoning mix. 1 lime and 1 bunch of cilantro chopped. Then we're gonna give it a mix. Now once we're finished mixing, we're gonna cover it and put it in the refrigerator and let it marinate until our potatoes are finished. While we waiting for these potatoes to finish boiling, decide to make a quick little salsa. First we're gonna add a little avocado oil to the pan. I'm gonna throw 4 tomatoes on here just to charm a little bit. I'm gonna add 3 whole jalapeños cut in half too. Now once we get the char we're looking for, we're gonna take them right up and throw them in the food processor with the rest of the ingredients. I'm gonna throw the tomatoes and jalapeños right in the food processor. I'm gonna add 1 bunch of cilantro, half an onion, a little salt, pepper, cumin, and hot Mexican chili powder, and 2 limes. Then we go blend it all together till it's well mixed. Take it out, put it in the refrigerator. And give it a taste, see if it need anything else. Oh no, that's perfect. Now I'm gonna take it up, put it in the refrigerator, and let it cool off. All right, now that the potatoes are finished boiling, I'm gonna let them cool off for a minute. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna get started on this avocado cream sauce. I'll start with your avocados. A bunch of cilantro. 16 ounces of sour cream. And 2 limes. Also gonna add a little salt and pepper. Now we wanna mix this till it's smooth. This is the consistency we're looking for. Give it a little taste test, make sure you don't need anything else. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Now that the potatoes are cooled down, I'm gonna mash them up, add a couple ingredients to them. All right, now after the potatoes are all mashed up, I'm gonna add 1 bunch of cilantro, 8 ounces of Monterey Jack cheese, and a little salt and pepper. Then you wanna go ahead and give that a mix. Make sure it's mixed all into these potatoes. Now once that's mixed, we're gonna set it to the side and get started on this shrimp. Now for the shrimp, you're gonna put the heat on medium and add a little oil. Once the pan is hot enough, we're gonna throw our shrimp on. Probably like 1.5 to 2 minutes per side. Maybe not even that. Doesn't take shrimp long at all to cook. Don't wanna overcook it. Once the shrimp ready, we're gonna pull them up and get started on the tortillas. Now with these shells, we're not gonna cook them all the way. We're gonna cook them down until they get soft. A real quick fry. I'll fry them on both sides. Pull them right up. Now when we're finished with the shells, we're gonna cut the heat off and start building our tacos. Get the shell. Add a little potato. Add the shrimp. I like to break mine up. Fold it over. Press down so it stick together. Boom. That's what we're working with. Once the oil is back heated up, we're gonna fry these tacos until they're golden brown. Now once these tacos are golden brown on both sides, we're gonna pull them up, put it on a napkin lined pan. As soon as I take them up, I like to sprinkle a little cotija cheese on top. And there we have it. Got our fresh salsa, avocado cream sauce, and 3 perfectly golden brown, crispy potato and shrimp tacos.